Welcome to the DIY guide for the Supernote Nomad Folio. Before we begin, let's take a quick look at all the components. This will help you understand how the folio is structured. Now, without further ado, let's get started. First, take the front and back plates from your DIY kit and place them on a flat surface. Ensure the two magnets on the front plate are facing upward, while the two magnetic shielding sheets are facing downward. And the four rounded corners are facing outward. Apply an even layer of glue across the surface, making sure to cover it thoroughly for a strong and seamless bond. Take your liner and position it with the inner side facing upward. Carefully stick the front and back plates onto the liner. Ensuring the four rounded corners are facing outward. Align the plates so they are level with each other, leaving a gap of approximately 17 millimeters between them. This measurement is based on the thickness of the official Supernote vegan leather folio. If you're using your own material, adjust the gap accordingly. Thicker materials will require a slightly larger gap, while thinner materials will need a smaller one. Using the screw holes on the back plate as a guide, punch 4 corresponding holes through the liner to ensure perfect alignment. Next, take your device and place the magnets on top of it. Align the 4 holes you just punched in the liner with the corresponding holes on the magnets. Ensure these two magnetic shielding sheets are facing upward. Then put the 4 screws on. While inserting the screws, ensure they align perfectly with their housing compartments so that the screws sit flush with the plate, preventing any bumps or uneven surfaces. Now, take your outer material and apply an even layer of glue to the backside, preparing it for attachment. Carefully stick the outer material to the liner. Pressing it firmly to ensure a secure and smooth bond. Finally, trim the corners to create a rounded shape, giving your folio a polished finish. And that's it. Your custom folio is complete. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.